Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am back with another beautiful ideas about the balcony style with the indoor decoration ideas of plants. Indoor decoration plants with the balcony style looks so amazing, looks so attractive. I hope this video and this collection is very useful for you. Balcony decoration ideas. Flowers look so attractive. Indoor plants with a balcony style are so attractive, so amazing. How to style and how to arrange a small place with a beautiful design. Indoor plants look so attractive, guys, and I hope this video is very useful for you. Terrace ideas, balcony ideas with the beautiful flowers, fresh flowers designs. I hope you enjoy the videos that upload on my YouTube channel. Sitting place of balcony looks so attractive. I enjoy this video because I like indoor plants, balcony decorations designs. Fresh flowers add in balcony decorations. Sunflower looks so attractive. Sitting place in a balcony style, and balcony looks so attractive. Use the different LED lights, and sunflowers look so amazing, and sunrise in a balcony style. Very modern way to celebrate the beautiful ideas about the designs of balcony. Indoor plants look so attractive, look so amazing, and I hope you enjoy the videos that upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Flowers increase the beauty of your home. Flowers increase the beauty of your house. Balcony different ideas, the attractive ideas, the simple sitting place looks so amazing, guys. I hope this video is very useful for you. In this collection you see approximately 100 plus unique designs and 100 plus unique ideas. The balcony style, the different style, the sitting place style, and I hope you enjoy the collection on daily basis. Beautiful terrace places ideas for my viewers who are watching the best YouTube videos that upload on my YouTube. Thank you so much, guys, to watch my videos and support to my YouTube channel, and I hope this video and this collection is very useful for you. Give more ideas how to style a beautiful balcony ideas, and balcony designs are so attractive, look so amazing and look so beautiful. I hope you enjoy the videos, fresh ideas. Take care and bye bye.